it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I am so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to have a look at those prizes that we're going to do for our big giveaway. But first, a shout out to Deborah, Ricky, Helen, Susan, Pam, Jane, Joyce, and Claire. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, this little portfolio, but they're all going to be different. So you don't know what color you're going to get, but it's going to be a little portfolio like this, and we open it up. Get it open here, and inside we have supplies. Oh my goodness, supplies. I love supplies. There are stamped labels on some coffee dyed book page. There are little adorable doilies. They are white. That way you can coffee dye if you want, or you could food color them if you need, whatever color you need to make them. There are 2 pages of dictionary page, I need to say, 2 pages of those. Now, I don't know about the words, but you know how you can just cut it and you can pull them and, do what you need to do to make sure you don't get any bad words, but they're just going to be 2 pages of dictionaries. I have faux glassine. Yes, that's going to be in there. Now, that's all going to be different, so I don't know which napkin you're going to get. And then they're going to be this card that has stapled on here, so you can take these staples off easily. Flat lace in 4 different colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, what fun, right? And then last but not least, music pages. Oh, we love music pages, don't we, guys? We love them. Oh my goodness. So how do you get into this drawing? Well, all you need to do is subscribe, and then I would really like for y'all to tell me how you would like how you see this channel going forward. What type of videos would you like me to make going forward? Just give me your insight, how you feel about it, and then I can read them all and see what everyone is thinking. Oh, you guys, I absolutely am so excited. Soon we will have our big giveaway, and I hope that you are part of it. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.